Hello from Nigeria. Hello, Providence family. My name is Dr. Mrs. Nneka Egonu. I studied in Providence College between the year 2007 to 2010. I studied BSc Plant Biology and Plant Biotechnology, and I have very fond memories of Providence. I remember the first time I visited, I loved the environment. There are days when I used to go jogging and I used to appreciate the fresh air, the trees, the plants, the basically the flora of Providence family. It's really a beautiful campus. I also remember very fondly my lecturers, Dr. Visa Lakshmi, Dr. Lima, Dr. Rosa de Lima. I remember Punita ma'am, Shobana ma'am. I also remember very fondly, I think her name was Sister Louisa in the hostel. She made sure that I was very comfortable. I also loved the food in the hostel. I remember all the different kinds of rice, the breakfast, the lunch, our movie times in the hostel. I remember also very fondly friends I've made and who I'm still in touch with today. Lindsay, Kaleivani, Prabhavadi, she was a very good friend to me and helper. I remember Jasmine, I remember Kaleimani, Scholastica, Sister Petsy. Oh, I remember so many wonderful things of Providence. I'm glad that um, I was in the Providence family, and I'm glad also that Providence College is expanding. Today, I come across different new courses that are added to the curriculum. Providence is one of the places that has shaped who I am today. Today, I'm a lecturer in the Department of Plant Science and Biotechnology, University of Nigeria. And watching people like Visa Lakshmi ma'am, Punita ma'am, Lima ma'am, all those people inspired me that what a man can do, women can do even better. So I say a big thank you to the Providence family and I wish you all well. Thank you.